Mikey Plum's here with a, not a tool, but a review on a Contractor item, our new drop cloths. I've been using them for a year now. I love them. They are slip resistant drop cloths. Well, first of all, they're called CoverGrips. I got them from Lowe's. I think it was like 23 bucks or something for a 3.5 by 12.
Is that what these are, 3.5 by 12?
Yeah, they're called runners. Working in a long area or something, or
schlepping stuff in and out.
Yeah, they want different. They have them in different sizes, but what I like about them, they have these beads on the back. They're like little rubber beads. They're perfect for anti-slip. They keep it, nice and flat. These normal drop cloths on this surface,
He's slipping all over the place.
You'll slip, but these ones, for the most part, I don't have to tell the homeowner, hey, be careful on the drop cloths. You might take a spill. These are pretty slip resistant. So I like them. Only complaint I got about them, I've heard that they make a little black dot on a carpet, like a white carpet, but I haven't seen that or heard that yet.
Really? What, from the slip resistant?
From the dots, but I haven't seen that at all. I mean, unless you're bringing in like a freaking, something real heavy.
Nothing on my fingers.
Yeah, I haven't had that issue so far. So I love these.
Oh, so the black marks on the carpet was not from you. You've heard that.
Heard that before.
Okay.
But I've never seen it.
Unconfirmed reports.
Yeah.
We don't buy it. That's fake news.
Yeah, but I love them.
You use these a lot when you're plumbing in people's houses, right?
Yeah. Bringing the drain machine in, whatever, and they just don't, drop cloths. They move around on these vinyl floors or wood floors or whatever, but these ones, they stay flat and they stay in place. I love them, so.
What's our rating here?
5 out of 5 plungers on this one.
Very nice. Mikey Plum's drop cloth connoisseur.
Yeah, and that's your drop cloth tip of the day, or review of the day.